Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video or any other videos on my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my meal prep honey garlic glazed salmon with baby broccoli and rice cauliflower. So this is a very low calorie meal prep. So we're going to start off by seasoning our salmon on both sides. I like to use salt, pepper, garlic powder, garlic salt, Old Bay, and parsley. Follow me on Instagram at fendi.fitness, where I post daily, so you can go over there and check out my stories and my posts. So now we're going to jump into the sauce. So we're going to use 1/4 of a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. And you can change these ratios depending on how much you're making, or if you don't like sriracha, you can take that out. And you're going to mix that all together until it's nice and blended. To cook the fish, we're going to use butter and olive oil. And we're going to sear each side for about 4 minutes. We're going to start by searing the skin side down first, and then we're going to flip them over to the other side. And in between flipping from the skin to the other side, you want to make sure you're searing the sides of the fish as well. Since these are thick pieces, you want to make sure you cook the sides of them. The sauce that we made on top of the fish. Once we think they're about almost done, you're going to flip them again and then pour the sauce. After we get the sauce on there, we're going to add a half of a lemon, just the juice. You're going to squeeze that onto the fish. And then we're going to baste the fish. So we're going to use the sauce and just keep putting that on top of the fish, so we make sure it's all coated and it's all flavorful with all of our seasonings and the sauce that we made. like to add some lemon slices on top. This is totally optional. Since we already poured the lemon juice on there, it's not really doing much, but it's just for the look of the fish, and it does kind of add more lemon and flavor to the fish. You can do this if you want to, or if you don't want to do that, you totally don't have to. I just like how it looks. So I add the lemon, get the lemons in the sauce, put them on top. We're going to move on to the baby broccoli. I like to air fry it on 350 for about 7 minutes with salt and pepper and oil, and it's really good. I really love doing my broccoli like this. For our last step in this meal prep, we're going to make rice cauliflower. I like to get mine frozen from Trader Joe's, but you can get it from any grocery store. I just happen to like this one. I like the flavor of it. Or you can use rice, but the rice cauliflower is what makes this meal very low calorie, so I would suggest getting the rice cauliflower. And I cook this with butter for about 5 minutes. Make sure you get all the chunks out because it is frozen when you start cooking it. And all I use to season this is salt and pepper, just a little bit of salt. You don't even need that much because it has a really good flavor. And that's about it for this meal. I like to use these meal prep containers that I got from Amazon. They're glass and they're better than the plastic ones in my opinion. I love these containers for meal prep. They're easy to take to work, easy to take to the gym. They're just perfect for on the go, and they don't stain or get gross and nasty like the plastic ones. So you can put your meals in here and you're ready for the week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in my next one.